one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we.
Well, we made it. It is hot, like extremely hot and humid. And I'll show you our site either tonight or in the morning. It is packed. You're packed in like sardines here. So we're staying at Pirate Land. I don't know if I said that. I think I showed the sign pulling in. We're staying at Pirate Land. It's in Myrtle Beach. Normally we stay in Ocean Lakes. We are completely spoiled by Ocean Lakes, I have to say. This one's nice. We haven't like gotten a chance to ride around on the golf cart and kind of tour it. But I like Ocean Lakes way better so far.
Me too.
What do y'all think?
Me too.
Like, we're just spoiled. Ocean Lakes is like just top notch.
Yeah.
It just really is.
It is.
So anyway,
I'm on vacation, I like a concrete pad.
I like Pirate
Yeah.
Land better.
like we're on the sand. I don't know. It's not bad. It's really not bad. I'm at the beach, so honestly, I don't care. I really don't. But now we are so thirsty, and we're picking up our groceries in the morning, so we don't have any like water or anything yet. So we're going to get some water, some food, and then
Some beer.
hang out. Yes, and that.
Through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night, this summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back.
So we're actually doing a Walmart grocery pickup on vacation. We've never done that before, but I had heard a couple other people doing that, and I'm like, you know what? That's pretty smart, because who wants to come to the beach or wherever and then have to spend an hour or two walking around Walmart with everybody else that's on vacation as well. So I ordered our groceries a couple days ago. We're about to go get them, and then when we get back to the camper, I'll show you our little vacation grocery haul.
And our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause
Alright y'all, so we are back from picking up all of our groceries. I did have to run in for a few things that either we forgot or just some things that we thought we needed. So that was a pain in the you know what. That reminded me why this grocery pickup thing is a good idea for vacation. The guy who was loading our groceries told us that Saturdays and Sundays are super busy as far as grocery pickup goes. So we came in on a Sunday, and what we did was just go out to eat last night and picked up a few like snacks and stuff to get us through, and then we came on Monday to get our groceries. And there was actually no cars there when we pulled up, so that part was super easy. The running in part was just annoying. Okay, so here's all the groceries. I have some more over on the table. We're just gonna ignore the stuff in the sink. Normally I have everything organized, but for camper's sake, I just don't. So I do have all my meat right here. One night we're gonna do a pork loin in the crock pot, so that will be super easy. Then I just have some chicken breast under that. I have some ground beef for spaghetti one night, another super easy dinner. Have some Great Value brand Cheez-Its. These are actually really good. Also got some green grapes right here. Next I got this Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. It's already sliced. It's the Great Value, and this is so good. Darren and I love to take this with some pepperoni and some wheat thins out on the beach for kind of like a little snack. So that will be good. Got some sour cream. I believe we're gonna do nachos one night. Some jalapeno peppers. Also some cream cheese for those to make some jalapeno poppers. Got some deli meat, we got some turkey, and some ham under there. Then moving on over, I said the pepperonis, got some shredded cheese for a couple different things. I can't even remember what. Salads, nachos. Got a little pack of wet ones to stick in our beach bag, so if we are eating out there, we can, you know, kind of wash our hands a little bit. Got some of these garlic breadsticks. These are only $1, and these are actually really good, so I thought that would be something easy and yummy to go with our spaghetti. I forgot our Parmesan cheese at home, so I went ahead and just grabbed one. Got some plastic forks and spoons to keep in here. Got some brown eggs. I wanted the organic, they didn't have them, but that will be just fine. Our spaghetti noodles. Got some Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Got some of these chewy bars for a snack. Also, I never buy these, but I thought, why not on vacation? Mini powdered donuts. Got some breaded okra to do fried okra with a meal one night. Just got a big bag of iceberg lettuce. It's just super easy to do, especially camping. Don't have to worry about chopping anything up. So that will go probably with our spaghetti. Alright, so I've never tried these mashed potatoes, but I've seen a couple people say they were good. I think Tiffany Beeston is the one who kind of started it. But anyway, I just thought we would give them a try. Something, you know, something easy to try if they're good, or something easy to bring camping. Anyway, you know what I'm saying. Got some sugar-free barbecue sauce. We're going to do barbecue chicken in the crock pot one day. Another easy meal. Black olives for the nachos. Also salsa. Just got some canola oil to do the fried okra. Back here, these are just little twist and go containers to make some ranch dressing in, because I forgot my little container. Got a loaf of bread. Got some hot dogs and a pack of bacon. And then coming over here to the table, we have some french fries, some hot dog buns, a huge thing of plates. That was a substitution. They gave us the bigger size. Bowls. They gave us the ragu simply, but I didn't want the chunky, and that's what they gave us, chunky marinara. I wasn't really crazy about that, so I just grabbed a regular one when I went in there. Got some more soap. I forgot my nail polish also, so I picked up this color, and it is the color, it's Essie, what is it called? It's called Cute as a Button. Thought that was a really cute little color. Darren and I some razors just to keep in here. Some wheat thins. Some cereal. Got some tortilla chips. Some RV toilet paper. And then over here we have children under the table. I got some Cokes. I have another pack of these. Also we got a big thing of water, but it's outside. And then a pack of the variety chips. That's everything we got for our groceries for the week. Darren's already putting stuff up. I'm like, hold on, I gotta take my thumbnail. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. And also let me know down below, where is your favorite vacation spot? Where do you and your family normally go for the summer, or what is your favorite place to go to? So anyway, hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye y'all.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what